Yes. So yeah, Scooter Jam happens this weekend. Earlier we were in the bowl, so we've moved over to, I guess it's the more expert area of the skate park. And Aiden, you were saying the backflip is your favorite trick.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to master the backflip?
Well, a year.
A year? So
Yeah.
how many times did you wipe out a lot while practicing?
Well, I just went on vacation and learned them.
Yeah.
Into a foam pit.
Where did you go to vacation? Where did you vacation and learn how to?
Well, I went to California in spring break, and I went to a place called Scooter Zone.
Yeah.
And there's a foam pit, and I learned them there.
So you learned on a foam pit. That's awesome. And now you're doing it on cement slabs. That's pretty sweet. Do you want to do one for us now? Again, Aiden is competing this weekend in Scooter Jam. It happens this Saturday down here. You can come on down and cheer him on. He's going to nail this back flip. Da, 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 da. So Dave, what are they judged on? Like just landing the flip? Like what is that based on, the criteria?
Definitely complexity. So the back flip is obviously a very difficult trick to land, and it's easy to screw it up and not land it. Yeah. So as you see, when Aiden does it, he makes it look easy. It is a very difficult trick to land.
Beyond makes it look easy. That is scary. I wouldn't even attempt it. Liam does another trick. Do you have that one where you do the spin with the scooter? Yeah. So Liam is also competing this weekend, Scooter Jam Saturday. Here he goes. What is that trick called, Dave?
That's an inward.
Inward.
Yeah.
And how many people are actually competing in this weekend besides the guys that we got down here?
We've got about 50 to 60 amateurs competing, and we have a dozen pros coming from all over the world, Australia, the US, and Canada. And the pros are doing what Liam was showing you there, plus so much more. They do a lot of combination tricks, so they'll string together 3 or 4 very difficult tricks that it is just crazy. It defies gravity a lot of the time.
Can Connor do a backflip this way?
Connor does not backflip.
Connor does not backflip. He will eventually. What's the website?
It is calgaryscooterjam.com.
How amazing are these tricks, guys? So this is just a taste of what's down here this weekend. I guess all the competitors are going to be competing on Saturday. Again, Scooter Jam this weekend right here at Millennium Park. Ted and Tara?
And lots going on as summer winds down in our city. Tomorrow, Jill will be back getting us ready for Expo Latino.
Oh, that's coming up. I forgot about that.
Always one of my favorites. Coming up after the break, we'll let you know what else is on tap for tomorrow's show.